What are some tips for buying car insurance online? One of the immediate effects of the COVID-19 pandemic is that businesses have switched to an online model. Car insurance deals and claims are done almost exclusively online. Buying online car insurance will help drivers save time and money. Many insurers encourage drivers to get coverage online and offer discounts to those that opt for this method. Furthermore, drivers can compare rates online and even select the sum of money they are willing to pay. Tips for getting the best car insurance. 1. Don't overlook smaller or regional insurance companies. If you watch enough television, you will inevitably see commercials from the big names in the insurance industry. These companies spend millions on ads, but do they really offer the best coverage? In some cases, they might. However, insuring your vehicle with a local or regional insurance company may save you money. Some drivers also feel like they receive more personalized service from a smaller carrier. 2. Ask for discounts. Always check for ways to save on your car insurance policy. You never know unless you ask. There are a variety of ways to lower your premiums. For example, many insurance companies offer price breaks if you bundle your car insurance with other policies, such as business coverage or homeowners insurance. 3. Choose the right vehicle. Have you ever wondered why some cars cost more or less to insure than others? If you've always dreamed of zipping around town in a convertible sports car in the summer, be prepared to pay more for your car insurance. When it comes to insurance, what you drive is often just as important as how you drive. Insurance companies work constantly to revise their statistical models of risk, and they assess this risk based on a vehicle's likelihood of being involved in an accident. 4. Consider raising your deductible. You can also save on your car insurance by raising your deductible, which is the amount of money you will pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. By agreeing to a higher deductible, you will generally pay less on your car insurance premium. However, it's important to be certain your budget can handle the deductible if you're involved in an accident. Buying car insurance online is a smart decision. It helps you save time, money and energy. However, you can make this already smart decision even smarter by following these simple tips. 1. Compare plans carefully. There are several plans available and you need to compare as many of them as possible. Evaluate the plans based on the number of network garages, the claim settlement ratio, the reviews, etc. 2. Get instant quotes. One of the biggest advantages of shopping for car insurance online is that you have access to instant quotes, or as some would call it, car insurance calculators. All you have to do is enter some basic details such as your car's registration number, where you live, the add-ons you want, etc. And we'll give you the premium amount for the plan. Do this with all lenders and you get a clear idea of who is offering what protection at what price. 3. Look for IRDAI certification. When you buy online, you might stumble upon insurance providers you've probably not heard of before. Some of them will offer very lucrative deals. But you should only buy from such providers if they are IRDAI certified and after checking their registration number. 4. Go for InsurTech companies. If you're going to buy car insurance online, you might as well buy it from an InsurTech company. These insurers have a fully online presence and have designed their processes to be internet-friendly. They will numerous features such as claims by photo, online customer support, an online website application or smartphone application in addition to the fully online buying process. In the UK it is very easy. In order to get a car on the public road, it needs to be insured, taxed and, if necessary, have an MO. When you first agree to buy the car, you need to arrange insurance. If you're trading in a car that has valid insurance, the cheapest thing to do in most instances is to transfer the insurance from one car to the other. To do this, contact your current insurer, which you can do by telephone and in most instances via the insurer's website. If you're selling your current car privately and obtaining the replacement before you've sold it, the insurer will usually allow cover on both for a reasonable period and for a fee. If you're buying a car and don't have one to replace, then I strongly recommend using a comparison website, such as Comparison Made Easier with Defacto. Better try at least a couple. You can buy your insurance in real time online. Once you've got insurance and assuming that if it needs it, the car has an MO, you can buy tax. This, too, can be obtained online in real time. Many, possibly all insurance companies advise DVLA in real time about the purchase and validity of insurance policies, so you can buy, insure and tax a car outside normal business hours, as I did in February. One thing to note is that once you've agreed to buy a car, you should arrange insurance before you actually complete the transaction. Thus your order of actions should be, 1. Agree to buy car. 2. Arrange insurance. 3. Tax car. 4. Pay for car and complete transaction. The reason for this is that this way you ensure continuity of insurance. Until you pay the vendor, his or her insurance covers the car. If you've bought your insurance before you complete the transaction, there is no break in cover because your insurance takes over immediately the transaction is complete. This is particularly important if you're buying privately and the car is parked on the public road. If you're buying from a car dealer, your insurance and tax will quite possibly be sorted out for you, at least on a temporary basis, by the dealer. Be careful if insurance is provided for a temporary period because you must get a permanent policy before the temporary cover expires. With ANPR and real-time communication between insurance companies and DVLA, the police will know the second the temporary cover expires. If you haven't got a permanent policy, you could face a huge fine, points on your license, and even the possibility of having your car confiscated and it will be impounded. First, don't. Second, if you are going to pick everything, and the most you can get off it, since you probably do not understand what you are buying and the consequences of your decisions. Third, realistically you should find out what coverages are, what they do, and make an educated decision. Your future depends on it. They call them accidents because they are unexpected. Don't be unprepared. Fourth, consider visiting an insurance agent, then you are truly protected. They will help you to get the right coverages for you, and if you are not properly covered, they have insurance to cover you if they make a mistake.